Hianta.
Acordia, we're about to start.
We're coming. Coming to talk.
Let's see the plan for your flower garden, Bamba.
Cínte. Seo é an plan.
It's beautiful.
Gordine, all in.
How can we help?
Shall we get to work planting the palana in the pots?
Gur míle maithagaí.
You can hang up the decorations while we get started on the garden. Let's get to work.
Yeah. A hane, a doe, a tree. This pot is heavier than it looks. That's better.
Now, we fill the potty with clay.
Done. Let's get ready.
A hen, a doe, a tree. Lift! Maybe it's too thrum? Definitely row rum. I know. Let's take some cray out of the putty.
Then they will be lighter.
And if they're airdrum, they'll be easier to lift. A hen, a doe, a tree. Not airdrum enough at all. I guess carrying the putty ourselves isn't working, is it?
I know, the wheelbarrow. We can use that instead.
Hey, Rose! They fit perfectly. And nothing is no rum for a wheelbarrow to carry.
Let's take a side each and lift.
A hane, a doe, a tree.
A right limb.
It's rotrum on one side. I can't hold it. Uh-oh.
Is tubaiste é.
Oh no! We're really sorry, Bamba.
Tomita! Oh.
Oh, don't worry. We can clean it up. It'll be perfect by the time we're finished. We promise.
Carcayor.
Do you know what we need to fix the garden? A plan. If we thought everything through first.
Then we wouldn't have made a mess or smashed the putta.
Let's put the empty putty in the right place first, and then we can scoop the cray into the wheelbarrow and carry it over bit by bit. It's brilliant.
What? You mean cheap?
Not cheap. That's just scamalach. Really cloudy. And you know what happens when it gets scamalach? Das Dyrmigtacht. There's a storm coming. Storms in Fairy Island can be big and scary. And if it's really bad, we're not allowed to fly. And we can't go anywhere if we can't fly. We have to stay at home, and our beds will get blown about by the wind.
Storms can be scary, but the more we prepare, the less storms scare.
But how can we prepare for a storm?
I'll show you.
Have you seen how scamalach it is, Pip? There's a storm coming.
Tá sé scamalach.
Cheap told us that's Dyrmigtacht.
Can we get some food for Blahin and Kuan in case they're stuck at home during the storm?
Fun no, mate. Shall I leave a fasty?
our house. But what about our beds being blown around in the stirrum?
I've an idea how to fix that too. Hi, Bamba. We need some rope and some tent pegs, please.
We have to stop the fairy beds from swaying in the stirrum.
It's still Scamalach. We better hurry. It looks like the storm will be here soon.
Grandma had Bamba.
Let's get back to the fairy tree.
The more we prepare, the less storms scare.
Right, Glenn.
If we tie the rope to the bottom of your bed and then to a tent peg in the ground, it should stop them from swaying in the wind.
Swing of eintach. On the wheel ship, Ray!
Ready?
Great plan, Fia. Now my bed won't sway about in the stirrum. And I've one more idea. Whoa!
A rope bridge. Great idea.
Even if it's too dangerous to fly, we can still visit each other during the stirrum.
Guys, where's the storm?
Huh? Níl Scamalach. Tá sé Greenver.
Yeah, it's sunny again.
Anna Greenver. But I don't understand. Isn't there supposed to be a stirrum?
Huh?
Díomh, is é seo machara.
It's Misha Stirrum.
So this is the storm that's coming.
What are we going to do with all this food? Oh, why don't we use our storm supplies to have a party?
Yeah.
Amir, look. Fairy Island is a mess.
It looks a bit like my bedroom. My dad always tells me it's messy and to tidy it up. What do you think happened?
I don't know. Where is everyone? Come on.
Cad é animaid?
What's the matter, Pip?
Cheep Cheep did a big clear out of her nest yesterday. But last night was really windy and her broosker was blown all over Fairy Island. And now it's a mess.
Is tubbiste é?
Glán, das glán.
Nice and clean again. Well done, Cheep Cheep.
But what about the rest of Fairy Island?
We can work together, Acordia. All we need is a plan. And I think I have just the idea. We have one for rubbish, one for recycling, and one for compost.
Pip will clear the broosker from the vegetable patch and apple trees.
Cheep Cheep, Blahin and Kuon, can you collect everything that's caught high up in the trees?
And Bomba can be in charge of sorting everything into piles for the bins.
Hínte.
And we can pick up anything on the ground.
Carcalora Mir.
What's wrong, Amir?
But won't we get dirty picking up Brewsker?
No be burha. Ta-da!
Our house. Now we don't have to worry about our hands getting dirty. Thanks, Bamba.
Fairy Island will be nice and gone in no time.
Just glán.
Ed Island. Sloga harde.
Oh, this is exactly what I need to finish my castle at home.
I've been looking for blue ribbon for my recycling art project. Cheep Cheep, can we keep the treasure we found?
Kinte.
Bamba, will you help us clean them?
Ans moine.
Shame I showed.
It's funny how someone's brewsker can be someone else's shoes. Should?
How can that be treasure?
Of course. The compost will help Pip's garden grow.
Aw, das glán.
Fairy Island is clean again.
Maybe next time you're doing a clear out, you'll know what to do.
And who to call for help.